Los Angeles, land of stars, surf, and skyrocketing rents. But here's the truth they don't tell you. Renting a one-bedroom here isn't just about money. It's about where you're willing to live and how much of LA's soul you're buying into. From ultra-glamorous enclaves to overlooked gems, we're breaking down what it really costs to rent across 22 of LA's most defining neighborhoods. And trust me, what you're about to see will surprise you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because here at the Money Manual, we don't just show you where the money goes, we teach you how to make smarter moves with it. Now let's get started. Think you know what expensive looks like? Think again. Welcome to Beverly Hills, where one-bedroom rent averages a breathtaking $6.9 thousand a month. It's not just about square footage. It's about silence, celebrity, and security. For those who crave status without saying a word, this is it. Let's stay in the hills for a minute. Because next up is ultra-exclusivity. High walls, guarded gates, and homes you'll never see unless you're invited. Beverly Park rents can hit $7,000 and beyond, assuming you can even find something available. Privacy comes with a premium, and this place defines luxury. Next, let's talk about a brand name as famous as the people who live there. You've seen it in movies. You've dreamed it in real estate fantasies. Beverly Hills is more than a zip code. It's a symbol. A one-bedroom here can cost you $5,000 to $7,000 a month. You're not just paying rent, you're buying into prestige. From the mansions of Beverly Hills, let's shift to architectural elegance in the hills. Perched above Beverly Hills, this neighborhood blends classic design with modern wealth. Trousdale Estates averages $6.8 thousand for a one-bedroom when available. You're paying for views, history, and style. And now, from quiet hills to a beach where billionaires surf. Waking up to waves sounds great, until rent hits you like a rogue tide. In Santa Monica, you'll need up to $6,000 for a one-bedroom. Beach life comes at a beachfront premium. You're not just buying sea breeze, you're renting a lifestyle. Craving culture and startups? You'll want our next stop, where innovation meets ocean breeze. Silicon Beach, especially Playa Vista, is where tech meets lifestyle. Rents average around $4.1 thousand for a one-bedroom. It's startup energy by the sea. Let's go from beaches to boardrooms next. If business had a zip code, this would be it. Century City is where corporate power and luxury real estate shake hands. Rents here hit $6.9 thousand a month. You're paying for prestige in a glass tower. And just nearby, another luxury giant looms. No loud nightlife, no paparazzi. That's Brentwood, an enclave for the ultra-private. At $6,000 per month, you're paying for discretion and legacy wealth. We've seen the exclusive. Let's try artistic affluence next. Vintage shops, vegan eats, vinyl records. Silver Lake is a lifestyle brand, and it'll run you $2.6 to $3,000 per month. Not bad for Instagram fame. It's where style meets rent. Time to head somewhere even grittier and cooler. It's cool, it's climbing, and it's full of edge. In Echo Park, you'll pay around $3,000 for that creative, coffee-fueled lifestyle. It's East Side edge with West Side ambition. Need something that never sleeps? Night markets, karaoke, and culture. K-Town is non-stop. At $2.2 thousand a month, Koreatown delivers maximum value for city lovers. It's a hub of life, flavor, and affordability. Let's go where prices still offer potential. If LA had stocks, this neighborhood would be buy now. Mid-City is central, evolving, and still under $2,000. The perfect mix of potential and affordability. Next, we visit Tradition Redefined. This neighborhood wears its history on its walls. Pico Union has grit, pride, and a price tag around $2,000. It's where community meets change. And it's not done growing. Feeling scholarly? College town charm, luxury pricing. In Westwood, home to UCLA, the average one-bedroom hits $3.2 thousand per month. Perfect for students with startup funding. Next up, the city's heart and hustle. Skyscrapers, nightlife, and serious price tags. Downtown LA rents range from $2.4 to $3.5 thousand. This is the heartbeat of the city. For a price. Let's chill things out now. You want peace, but you also want access. This is your zone. West LA offers the suburban urban sweet spot. One-bedroom rents range from $2.4 to $2.8 thousand a month. It's family-friendly, freeway close, and full of quiet streets. Now, let's get legendary. Everyone knows the name, but few know the rent. Hollywood is as chaotic as it is iconic. One-bedrooms go for about $2.5 thousand per month. You're paying for history and putting up with the hustle. Let's head east for more culture. One of LA's oldest neighborhoods is one of its cheapest. Lincoln Heights offers real character for just $1.6 thousand. It's home to LA's working history and its future potential. Next stop, Creative Sanctuary. Nestled by Griffith Park, this place is pure vibe. Los Feliz rents hover around $3,000. Actors, artists, and writers all call it home. It's a tight-knit village in a sprawling city. Now for the historic underdog, often misunderstood but never out of reach. South Central LA offers deep roots and real savings. A one-bedroom costs around $1.5 thousand. It's where culture, resilience, and affordability intersect. You won't believe the next one. Museums, green space, and rent that feels like last decade. Exposition Park West sits at just $1.3 thousand a month. It's LA's best-kept secret. Peace, proximity, and price in one rare package. Let's cross the valley next. This isn't just the valley, it's a vibe. North Hollywood, also known as NoHo, it blends grit, art, and affordability at $2.3 thousand a month. It's where dreams begin, and sometimes where they break through. Now let's recap. From $1.3 thousand in Exposition Park West to over $7 thousand in Beverly Park, LA's rent map is a financial roller coaster. Middle-market neighborhoods like Echo Park, Koreatown, and North Hollywood are booming with demand, and renters are getting savvier about value. Rent isn't just cost. It's lifestyle, strategy, and sometimes sacrifice. So what are the trends telling us? The shift is real, and it's economic. More renters are leaving Santa Monica, Century City, and Westwood for zones like Mid-City, Exposition Park West, and NoHo. The reason? Flexibility, affordability, and a better quality of life. So, which part of LA would you choose to rent in? Drop it in the comments. And if you found value in this breakdown, don't just scroll away. Hit that like button, subscribe to the Money Manual, and turn on notifications. Because in a city where rent is high, knowledge is the only thing you can afford to get for free. See you in the next one.